fantasy and imagination, where each discovery begins with fairy tale inspiration. Come with us.
Welcome aboard Disney Cruise Line for a voyage into uncharted magic. On every different Disney cruise vacation, the magic and wonder of Disney will delight you day and night. Uniquely separate areas for children, families, and adults promise excitement for all ages, with something special for everyone, everywhere you go. By day, families laugh and play under the sun and all around, with entertainment like no other ship at sea. Up-to-the-minute sports, current movies on the silver screen, and a whole world of Disney differences. Kids can embark on journeys of pure imagination in places packed with so much Disney fun they almost fill an entire deck. Morning till midnight, an exceptional number of counselors make sure that all the kids are having oceans of fun in programs with others their own age. Teenagers get their own private club, plus programs created just for them. Meanwhile, adults are pampered in exclusive areas where massage tables beckon, wine tastings tempt, and relaxation by the adult pool offers a little slice of paradise. Each evening, the possibilities for everyone on board are as countless as the stars in the sky. Dazzling Disney restaurants sparkle with delicious possibilities in 3 unique settings. From European elegance to Caribbean style, on to animated whimsy. You'll enjoy a distinctly different culinary experience as your personal waitstaff travels with you each night. So you'll enjoy dining with servers who already know you like your meals prepared just so. Of course, if you're in the mood for a special romantic getaway, adults can make a reservation for dinner high above the sea at Palo. Everyone is invited to gather in the spectacular Walt Disney Theater for classic family entertainment and moving original Disney musicals that come to life with all the style of Broadway itself. Kids of all ages find hands-on, high-energy excitement in a unique family nightclub where everyone plays along. Teens get their own private dance party after dark. And every night, adults can head to their exclusive late-night district. 3 very different, incredibly outrageous clubs, where good times and great music make for evenings you won't soon forget. And that's just part of the magic of every Disney cruise. On board Disney's 7-night Caribbean cruises, you have time to enjoy even more enchantment. Disney character breakfasts, tea with Peter Pan's pal Wendy, even magical moments at night in Goofy's Giggle Gala. Adults can indulge in special programs from culinary to behind the scenes, and even enjoy high tea in the afternoon. Evenings bring even more stage shows, including an all-new original production with its own touch of Disney magic. And on 7-night cruises, everyone is invited to enjoy a special evening with the captain. Whichever Disney Cruise Line vacation you choose, rest assured, you'll enjoy the most warmly detailed staterooms on the sea, all masterfully crafted to give your family more personal space than you'd ever expect on a cruise. So every night, you can stretch out in comfort as you sail away to tropical wonderlands. Welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay, our own private island in the Bahamas. Every Disney cruise leads to these glistening shores, where our ships actually pull into port to let you step right onto an island dream. For children, this place is Neverland. For adults, it's Shangri-La. On Castaway Cay, you'll rejuvenate on enchanted beaches, with one for families, one for teens, and a separate secluded beach just for adults. Here, you can take a dip in magical waters and enjoy a world of tropical surprises, pure relaxation, and incredible imagination. The choices are endless. The island is yours. Castaway Cay. For every Disney cruise, this place is paradise. Whatever your vacation dreams, there's a different Disney cruise just for you. 7-night cruises to the Western or Eastern Caribbean, 3 or 4-night Bahamian getaways, or land and sea combinations that add even more Disney magic. Just make a wish and let your dreams set sail. Consider our new 7-night Western Caribbean cruise to Key West, Grand Cayman, Cozumel, and Castaway Cay. In Key West, sunshine and countless possibilities call from around every corner. Stroll the streets Hemingway called home. Kayak through emerald mangrove forests. Play the day away. And in the evening, see sunsets like no others from the famous Mallory Square. Next, we sail to the famous blue waters of Grand Cayman. Here, sandy shores and incredible coral reefs invite you to explore. Swim alongside amazing sea life. Take your journey under the sea in a submarine. And indulge yourself in a day of tropical delights. In Cozumel, everyone finds a special reason to smile. Ancient Mayan ruins offer adventure along a rocky landscape. Pristine beaches welcome all ages to play. Swim, snorkel, or just head out on the town. Here, you can take a seaside carriage ride. Dive to explore beauty fathoms below and have the time of your life. For this Western Caribbean voyage, there's even more magic on the horizon as we set off for our final port, Disney's Castaway Cay. Select our 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise for a voyage to St. Martin, St. Thomas with an excursion to St. John, and Castaway Cay. This is St. Martin. As the morning sun rises over rolling green mountains on a blue, blue sea, you'll know something special awaits. Sail on catamarans to discover charming islands. Relax Caribbean style. Let the winds take you on a regatta. On the island of St. Thomas, charming shops line the oceanside. Dive to spectacular living reefs. Or take an excursion to St. John, where warm waters and breathtaking beaches welcome you to bask in the ocean breeze. Then, of course, we set our sights on the most magical island ever discovered, Castaway Cay. Imagine 3 or 4 nights of paradise on a cruise in the Bahamas. Then, combine that with all the wonder of a Walt Disney World dream vacation. This is our 7-night land and sea vacation. Welcome to the Walt Disney World Resort during the 100 Years of Magic celebration, honoring the man who started it all, Walt Disney. We've pulled out all the stops, with new attractions, shows, and parades in all 4 theme parks. Here, classic Disney magic is yours to enjoy throughout your stay. Beyond the theme parks, you'll find more to be done than you've ever imagined. And all the while, you'll be staying in a magical Walt Disney World hotel with one simple check-in for your entire vacation. You'll enjoy a world of wonders in a place where the magic never ends. Then, let your dreams set sail on our 3- or 4-night cruise to the Bahamas. This portion of your land and sea vacation can also be taken as an enchanting getaway all its own. On this cruise, you'll explore the sights of Nassau, walk along sun-drenched beaches, shop for hidden treasures, swim in the azure blue ocean, treat yourself to an excursion at the amazing Atlantis Paradise Island. Finally, you'll sail to the most enchanting island on the seas, Castaway Cay. Magical voyages, tropical dreams. Whatever vacation you wish for, there's a Disney cruise just for you. Come with us for 3, 4, or 7 nights of dreams come true. Set sail on voyages like no others on the 7 seas, on ships filled with memories you'll cherish for a lifetime, on a vacation as enchanting as a Disney fairy tale that sets sail on magic.
Come with us to a world of fantasy and imagination, where each discovery begins with fairy tale inspiration. Come with us, cross the sea, let the stars chart our way. May the waves be our guide. On a dream we will glide, we will glide. Cross the sea.
For more information about all the different Disney Cruise Line vacation options, ask your travel agent. Call 1-800-511-9444 or visit us at disneycruise.com.